Hello guys. So from today onwards I thought to do all our papers from 2016 to 2021. So before starting the today's paper, that means 2016 paper, I would like to give a brief description about the O-level paper standard. Normally there are two parts as part 1 and part 2. Then in part 1 there are 40 MCQs and in part 2 5 questions only we have to answer. That means the first question is compulsory, while another 4 questions can be selected from us by ignoring another 2 questions. So the first question carries 20 marks and each of the selected questions carries 10 marks. So let's first start the part 1 paper. Okay. First one, what was the effect when vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors and lead transistors were replaced by ICs in the CPU? So we know there are 5 generations of computer. So in first generation, the major hardware technology they used is vacuum tubes. After, in the second generation, that vacuum tubes are replaced by transistors. Likewise, in third generation, this transistors replaced by ICs, that means integrated circuits, and in fourth generation by microprocessors. Nowadays, that means the fifth generation, ULSI, ultra large scale integrated circuits or integration, right? So why these vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors and then transistors by integrated circuits? Okay, let's see the options. First one, both processing power and electricity consumption increase. So in here, the reason why vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors, or the reason to introduce new generations is to increase the processing power but to decrease the electricity consumption. So in here it said that electricity consumption is also increased. So that answer is not the answer. Second one, processing power increased while electricity consumption decreased. Yes, it can be taken because their main reason is, so answer is second. For the first question, the answer is second one, right? The next one, consider the following devices. Which of the above can be used as both input and output devices? Mouse is only an input device because after input the mouse click like this, then we did not get any output from the mouse, therefore it is an input device. Touchscreen can be taken as an input and output device, so it can be an answer. External DVD writable drive, in here also we can rewrite or erase something and then we can look the output also, so this one also correct. So the answer is third one. In here the answer is, which of the following is a direct function carried out as a part of memory management in an operating system? In operating system, the main services performed by an operating system is to manage the hardware and providing the user an interface. It may be a GUI, graphical user interface, or CLI, command line interface. When talking about managing the hardware of a computer, there are 6 processes or 6 management styles they are doing. First one is process management. It means managing the processes that are done from a computer. Memory management means managing the memory of the computer. Device management means operating system helps to manage the devices that are connected to a computer. File management means managing the files. That means creating new folders, and renaming the folders and also deleting unnecessary folders likewise. Security management means managing the security of the computer, and network management means when a computer is connected to a network. It is managing by this operating system. Now in this question, a direct function carried out as a part of memory management. Let's see the answers. First one, releasing memory when a task is complete. Yes, it's correct. A direct function of operating system as a part of memory management is releasing memory when a task is complete. So first one is the answer. Accessing the hard disk. This is a process management. Organizing files in a folder. That means organizing files. Files means it should be file management. Managing devices. Managing devices means this management is device management. Then the fourth question, which of the following is approximately equivalent to 1 terabyte? Now for this question we need that table. So it's better to remember this table. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 TB. In here the powers are given by 10, not 2. Then and also in here there is a note given. In production of hard disk there are instances 1025 is considered as 1000. That means we can represent this one as 1000. 1000 GB is equals to 1 TB. So 1000 GB is equal to 1 TB. When keeping this 1000 into power 10 to the power 3 equals 10 to the power 3 GB is equals to 1 TB. So in here let's see, there is no answer. 1 times 10 to the power 6 GB. No, this is not the answer. It should be 1 times 10 to the power 3 equals 3 GB is equals to 1 TB. Then let's see. Okay, now let's try to convert this TB. Let's convert TB into MB in terms of MB, right? So you know 1000 MB. 1000 MB is equals to 1 GB. Then if I convert 1 TB into megabytes, then what is the answer? It should be 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in here there are 3 zeros. 1000 MB is equals to 1 GB. So if I convert this one, the megabytes into TB, that means it should be 6 zeros. Now if I convert TB into kilobytes, it should be 1, 6, another 3 should be at 3 zeros should be at, that means 9 zeros should be there. Like this the process is going, right? MB is equals to 1 TB. Now this is 9 zeros means it should be KB. Kilobytes is equals to 1 TB. Now if I convert this TB into bytes, then it should be how much? Another 3 zeros should be at, that means 12 zeros. Likewise 12 zeros. Bytes equals 1 TB. Okay, right. Now let's keep them into powers. Here 6 zeros. 6 zeros means 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 equals 1 TB. And here how many zeros? 9 zeros. So 10 to the power 9 kilobytes equals to 1 TB. Here 12 zeros, 10 to the power 12 bytes equal to 1 TB. Now let's see the answers. 1 times 10 to the power 6 MB. It can be taken, right? 1 times 10 to the power 6. Yes, first one is the answer. 1 times 10 to the power 6 kilobytes. No, it should be 1 times 10 to the power 9 kilobytes. And in here it should be not 1 times 10 to the power 6, it should be 1 times 10 to the power 12 bytes. Okay, here it should be 1 times 10 to the power 3 GB. Okay, then fifth one. What is the decimal equivalent to octal 64? So octal 64, right? That means octal number is given. That means 64 base 8 should convert into base 10. We can't directly convert this one. First we have to convert this one into base 2, and then only we can convert this one into base 10. So 4 2 to the power 2 is 4. So I can write directly 100. And how to make 6 from 3 digits? How to make 4 plus 2? Then 1 1 0. Then let's combine this one. 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 base 2 is equals to 64 base 8. This base 2 should be converted into decimal. I will do in here. 1 1 0 1 0 0. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. As this is a MCQ answer, just ignore these 3, okay? If not the time waste. Then 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 2 to the power 4. Then 2 to the power times 2 to the power 5, 32, right? 6 4 10, 12, 3 1 4, then 52. Answer is what? Second one. Consider the following logic circuit diagram. So there is OR gate and a NOT gate is connected. Now he said the final output will be then X plus Y, whole thing should be bar. Let's see what is the logic gate equivalent to this one. In here AND gate X dot Y, right? So this is not the answer. In here X plus Y, whole thing bar. So this one is equal to this one, right? So this is the answer. Let's see the other output. Here X dot Y, NAND gate. Here NAND gate. Here no gate. Here also no gate, right? No gate. This is NAND gate, and here X is becoming bar value. X becomes bar. Then final output will be X bar plus Y. Seventh question. Which of the following logic circuits represent the given truth table? So A 0 0 1 1, B 0 1 0 1. The output is 1 1 1 0. So let's see. The first one is the output should be A dot B. Right, let's just draw a small truth table. Then I will write here A, B, C. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So the output should be A dot B. A dot B means A should be multiplied by B. 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 1, 1. So is this truth table is connected or similar to this one? No. So this is not the answer. Next one. Here A dot B, see the output, but the output is A dot B bar. A dot B whole thing bar, because NOT gate is connected. So I can modify this one as here A dot B and the output. C, right? A dot B bar, that means all the negative things. 0 becomes 1, here 0, 1, here 0, 1, here 0 because of 1. Then is this a truth table? Is this output similar to this one? Yes. So answer is second one. If I draw the other two tables, here A dot A and B, here A plus B, whole thing bar, and after that what happened? A plus B only. The output is A plus B because bar, again bar to bar cut. Answer is A plus B. A, B, C. 0, 0, 1, 1. Here 0, 1, 0, 1. Then A plus B. So 0, 1, 1, 1 is the output. And in this fourth one, this is A plus B. Final output can be taken as A plus B bar. So here A plus B and C. C should be all the bar values. So C 0, that means opposite one. 1, here 0, here 0, here 0. So these are the truth tables for third and fourth. Which of the following is correct relating to the internet and World Wide Web? So internet, a service of internet is World Wide Web. Now let's read the options. The internet is a service of world www. Internet is not a service. www is a service. So third one is the answer. Consider the following statements related to the table created using word processing software. Which of the above are correct? It is possible to format the text. Yes, formatting text can be done in word software. Words in a column of table can be arranged in alphabetical order. Yes, we can arrange by sort. By sort we can arrange it. See, numbers in a column of a table can be added together. So numbers in a column can't be added, but we can input numbers, but we cannot add it together like Excel. So this is wrong. Answer is first one. Which of the following is not a common feature in both word processing and electronic presentation? Find and replace feature is there. But mail merge is a function that is only in word processing. What is the function of mail merge? Sending mails. Sending, that means sending messages, sending letters to many people. This is done only in word processing and word processing. So this is not a common feature for both word processing and electronic presentation. Excel. Which of the, not Excel, Power, okay, in here 11th one, which of the following is a feature not provided by a database management application? First one, sorting data can be done. We can sort from descending or ascending. Like updating data can be done. Generating reports can be made. Queries can be made, but charts cannot be made. We can generate what else? Tables can be generated, as well as queries can be generated and reports can be generated. Right? These are the things that we mainly generated in a database management application. Questions 12 to 14 are based on the following database tables. Taxi table, rate table. Which of the following is the most suitable field to be selected as the primary key for taxi table? A taxi number, let's see first of all. 106, no duplicated data. So we can take the primary key as taxi number. Which of the following fields is an example for a foreign key in the database? In rate table, let's see the options. Taxi number in taxi table. Taxi number in taxi table, no, it's a primary. Rate table in taxi rate type in text table. Yes, this in the rate table, rate type is the primary key, but when talking about the text table, rate type is acting as the foreign key. How many fields and records are available in the rate table? How many fields and records? 1, 2 fields are there. Records 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3. 15th one. Nimal is writing a computer program to create a graph to show the number of dengue cases for the last 5 years. Input, process and output related to the program are given in the steps A to D. These are the steps, but not in the correct order. Which of the following correctly shows the input, process and output? Let's see. A. Show the graph for the total number of dengue cases for the last 5 years. Showing the graph. That means this should be the output of this scenario. B. Number of dengue cases for each year. So we should input this one. Input. Current year also we should input. If not, it does not correctly showing in the graph. Calculate the total number of dengue cases for the last 5 years. This should be the process. So then the answer is inputs A and B. No, input should be B and C. Process is D and output is A. Second one is the answer. Testing phase of the system's development life cycle includes the following. Which of the correct testing order of the above activities? The methods of testing is mentioned in the book, Grade Learn book, page number 59. First one is unit testing. That means testing each unit and taking the output. Then integration testing means units already tested and debugged are integrated to form. The tested and the debugged ones are integrated and it forms a system. After that only system test is conducting. Then acceptance test. This testing is carried out with users. It should be accepted. So let's see the order. First one is, this one is the first one. Then integration. Second one, system testing. Third one, this one should be the fourth answer. So answer is D, B, C, A. D, B, C, A. 17th one, there is a suggestion to introduce a new online system to replace the current manual system to apply for re-scrutiny of results of the GCE O-level examination. Consider the following statements related to this suggestion. So the question is asking which of the above statements are valid. A. The proposed system will improve the efficiency of the re-scrutiny process. So this can be taken because rather than the current manual system, we can improve the efficiency of the system. Can be taken. The proposed system will improve the accuracy of the outcome of the re-scrutiny process. This can be improve the accuracy of the outcome. Maybe not sure about that. Therefore, we cannot take this one as a valid statement because it can be either accuracy or it cannot be accuracy. See, the proposed system will have a negative impact on the candidates who do not have access to the internet. Yes, it can be taken because though the technology of the present society is high than the past society, some of the children still does not have any access to the internet. So in grade 11 we studied that it was the digital divide. The statements valid in here is A and C only. 18th one, which of the following show the file format of image files? Normally, the PNG image files that we know is JPEG, then PNG, and RAW, and BMP. Okay, so these are some of the things that we know. Docs is a file format of MS Word, so we cannot take it as the answer, right? First one we can easily ignore. Let's see. MP3 is audio file format, audio. Then PNG okay, RAW okay, but MP3 is an audio. So second one is also RAW. This one is also RAW. Here PNG okay. Third one RAW, JPG, BMP. Third one is the answer. Fourth one PPTX. PPTX is used for PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint file form. Then BMP, PNG okay. Right. Consider the following HTML code. So as this was a practical, let's do it as practically as a fun. Okay, so I opened the notepad. Now first I have to open the tag HTML and then body. I can use the head if I want a title only, and DL, description list. Here DT, description title. So what is the description title here? Government schools in Sri Lanka. Then I have to close this title, description title I want to close. And then I will add some what? Description data. What are the description data? National schools. National schools 350, and I am closing this data. And again I will open a tag, a description data tag, and I will write provincial school. Is 9662. Then I can close this data, description data. And after writing all, I will close the data list. First of all, the data list, and then next I will close the body tag, and at last I can close HTML tag. So then how to do? File, I can save this, save, and I can give it a sample.html, the extension, then save, and I can save. Okay, so now you can see the output as government schools as a heading, and under that only the data description data. Here the main data title here, and like this. So this one is the answer. These cannot be taken as the answer because they have introduced the ordered list. Here unordered list, and here ordered list. Consider the following software. Which of the above softwares can be used to create an HTML document? Simple text editor can. Word processing software, yes. MS Word can be. Web authoring software can take. So answer is all A, B and C. Question number 21. According to a survey conducted by the Department of Census and Statistics in 2015, the computer literacy rate of Sri Lanka is 26.8%. It is assumed that digital divide is one of the reasons for the low computer literacy rate. Now digital divide, not the digital bridge, it is digital divide. That means some of the students do not have enough technological equipments and enough technological knowledge. Therefore, a digital divide has been created in our country. Consider the following suggestions. The relevant suggestion or suggestions which will contribute to reduce the digital divide is or are. A. Arrange loan facilities at low interest rates for the households of low income category to buy computers. So it can be done. Then what happened? Then the low income people can also buy computers and increase their technology and the digital divide can be reduced. Improve computing and internet facilities in rural areas. Yes, rural areas where such facilities are inadequate. Yes, by improving them internet facilities and computing, the technology can be learned and can be improved. Provide more scholarships for the children who succeed in the grade 5 scholarship examination. By giving scholarships, we cannot improve our technological knowledge, and this cannot be taken as a digital to reduce the digital divide. So answer is A and B. Okay, 22nd question. Which of the following is not essential to host a website? Mainly to hosting a website, there should be 3 requirements. Mainly, they are web server, IP address, and website content. So in this question, asking not essential to host a website. So answer is first one. A web browser is not essential. What is the domain name of the URL? HTTP. This is the protocol. Then www means the service of that internet, World Wide Web, and this is the domain name. bbc.com is the domain name. From this domain name, the top level domain name, the top level domain is .com. Right. So asking here only the domain name. Answer is bbc.com. While typing an email to one of his friends, Rajan accidentally closed the email application. In which folder of his email will he find the unfinished? Unfinished emails can be found in draft. In inbox, we can find the messages or emails that coming for us, that are sending to us. Sent means the emails that are sending from us. We are sending the emails to others. Trash means the emails that we deleted. And unwanted emails or viral emails are stored in spam. Questions 25 to 26 are based on the given spreadsheet segment. Which of the following will appear in the cell C3 if the formula is equal A1 to B3 is entered to the C3? Okay, so A1, B3. So what is the value? 1, A1 to B3, and this is copied in where? In this column. So what is the answer? It should be 5. Okay, then 26th question. The cell A3 contains a formula equal sum A1 to $A1. $A1 means in here this one has been logged. Column absolute cell reference is used, but in A2 doesn't. Which of the following appear in cell B3 if the formula is copied to cell B3. So what happened in here? The $A1 keeps remained and to B2 likewise. $A1 like this to B2. That means which area should be added? This area A1 to B2. So the answer is 1 plus 2 3, then 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. What tool in electronic presentation software can be used to change the style of a slide from style 1 to style 2? Layouts are changed, so slide layout. What tool in electronic presentation software is used to manage how text and images appear when making a presentation using slideshow animation? Which of the following show data transfer speeds of secondary storage devices arranged in an ascending order? That means small, it means the name, slow to fast, right? Slow to fast. So let's see. In here there's a note as page number 95. There's a note. Data access speeds are given like this. So when refer according to this one, we can get the answer as what? Third one, floppy disk, DVD drive, magnetic hard drive, state hard drive, solid state hard drive. Okay. Consider the following statements. Optical fiber cables provide faster data transfer rates than that of copper cables. Correct. Copper cables provide faster data transfer rates than that of optical fiber cables. No, not provide. Now this is the opposite of that one. Right? Copper cables are more expensive than optical fibers. No, optical fibers are more expensive than copper cables. Answer is A only. 31st question. Consider the following statements. Which of the above use the ICT effectively? A student obtains medical advice from a doctor by contacting him over the telephone. Let's keep it. An automated system based on the humidity and temperature releases water to plants in a greenhouse. So this can be taken. An automated system has been made, right? A teacher purchases a book which is not available in Sri Lanka from an online bookshop. Yes, it also apply ICT very well. That means the teacher is order the book from another online bookshop. But in A, student obtains medical advice from a doctor. From contacting a telephone. Telephone is not much more technological, so we can take as the question is asking ICT effectively, we can take the answer as B and C. Third one. 32. Consider the statements. Which of the above statements are correct? It is suitable to dispose electronic waste such as unusable. Which of the above statements are correct? Such as unusable mobile phones and CRT monitors with household garbage such as towels. So it is not suitable, right? But so this cannot be taken because e-waste should be disposed very effectively. It is not illegal for multiple users to use a software in a desktop computer which has a single user license. Yeah, it is not illegal. B can be taken as the answer. See, when a firewall is installed in a computer network, users do not require to use passwords to protect their files with confidential data. So, though there is a software firewall or a hardware firewall, a user should use passwords to protect the files with in here, but not only normal data but confidential data, so it should be required. So the best answer is second one. 33. In the ASCII code, character Q is represented 1010001. What is the option that represents PUT? So you know, before Q there is P. Q R S T U. Let's see. Now Q. First we'll convert this one into decimal form. Here 1 plus, I will show 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is. In ASCII there are 7, they represent 7 bits, right? So see whether there are 7 bits. Then here 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power. Then here 64 plus 2 to the power 4, 8, 60 plus, and here 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1. 6 4 10 11, 1 remains, 6 1 7, it is 81. Now we know P Q R S T U. Then P is 80. If Q is 81, P should be 80. Here 81, 82, 83, 84 and 85. T is 84, U is 85, P is 80. So it's better if we convert this one into by decimal in ourselves. 80 to 40, 0 remains. To 20, then 0 remains, and again 10 to, here 0 remains, 5 0 remains, 2 times 2 4, 1 remains, again 2 times 2 1, 0 remains, then 1 0 1, another 4 0. These we can ignore this one because this is not the answer. Let's look at 1 and 3. Who's the correct option? Now I will now U is 85. 85 divided by 2. 2 times 4 8. 2 times 2 4. 1 remains. 2 times 2 4, 2 times 1 2, 0 remains. 2 times 1 2, 2 times 0 1, 1 remains, and again 2 times 5 0 remains, and again 2 times 2 4, 1 remains. At last 2 times 1 2, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Answer should be the first one because in here 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, but in here 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So answer is first. Consider the following 4 numbers presented in different number systems. First we have to convert all these numbers into the same base. So I will convert all the numbers into base 10. 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Here 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 7. Here 1 plus 2 to the power 1, 2 plus, we can ignore this 2, then 2 to the power 4, 16 plus 2 to the power 5, 30, 2 plus 2 to the power 6, 64 and 2 to the power 7, 128. Then 8 for 12, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 12, 22, 22, 23, 22 and 1, 23. Then 2, here 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 1, 10. Then 10, here 12, 13 and 14, 1 remains. Then 1. So this is 243 base 10. Binary 1. Okay. I will represent like this, binary 1. I will convert this one F3 into binary. First of all binary, let's. Then 3 means 2 plus 1. 0, 0. F means 15. So 1, 1, 1. Then I can combine these two. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. The same value is coming. So F3 is also equals to 243. Then next one. 363 octal value. So first of all I will convert all the things into binary. So 3 means 2 plus 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 6 means 4 plus 2. Then 1, 1, 0. 3 means again 0, 1, 1. Then when combining these, the answer can be get as 1, 1, 0, 0. The same value is coming. So this one also equals to 243. All the numbers are equal to each other. So the answer should be third one. 4 numbers are equal to each other. The next one. Consider the following statements related to the digital images. Digital images are created with pixels. Correct. Image file size increase when resolution of an image increases. Yes. Correct. Resolution of an image can be measured with pixel per inch. Correct. Answer is all A, B, C. 36th question. Consider the following Pascal program. Then in here program repetition. A program is repeated. Okay, so variable is given as x. So I will draw the variable like this. I will circle the variable as x. It is an integer. The variable type is integer and it begins with x. It begins with 1. 1. Repeat. Write x. X is equal 1 until the condition is until x is equals to 3. So let's see. Then we'll see. After that condition is fulfilled, we can end this loop. What is the correct output? Right. Now is 1 is equals to 3? No. Then we can repeat it. Write x. Then they are saying to write the x value. So 1 x is equal to previous x plus 1. Let's see. Previous x. Previous x is 1. Adding another 1 then equals to 2. until x equal 3. Let's see, is 2 is equals to 3? No. Then the loop again will repeat. Write x. Let's write like this. Then x is equals x plus 1. That means the previous x is 2, adding another one, then 3. Until x is equal to 3. Is 3 equals to 3? Yes. Then the loop will be end, and the answer for this one is second one, because the correct output first one cannot be taken because it represent in a horizontal manner, vertical manner. It should be represents in a horizontal manner. 37. Consider the following pseudocode with label x to calculate the sum of numbers from, not between, from 1 to 100. So the suitable one. What is the correct condition that matches with the label x? Number should be less than or equal 100. As this one is a pseudocode, we can take the answer. This is a pseudocode, following pseudocode. As this is a pseudocode, the answer should be fourth, right? The number should be less than or equals to 100. Questions 38 to 39 are based on the following flowchart designed to find the smallest number from any 10 numbers. 38 to 39. Start input n, min equal n. There are two variables. First one is minimum. Next one is count. Two variables. Then count should be greater. Count should be less than 10. If it is yes, input n. N should be less than min. Q. If it is not, what happens? Which of the following correctly represents the label P and Q in the flowchart? If it is P, if it is no, we should output min. If it is no, we can output min. Output min. If it is input n, then n is less than min. If that condition does not fulfill, what happens? Count equal count plus 1. If that condition is fulfilled, that means min should be equals to n. Simple question. So answer is first one. Which of the following statements is correct related to the control structures given in the flowcharts? Selection occurs with repetition. So this is the answer, first one. Consider the following pseudocode segment. How many times will the hello be displayed when the above pseudocode is executed? Count equals 0. Repeat, display hello. Now count is 0. Now I will draw a circle to show that this is the variable count. So this is 0. Then repeat, display hello. Now hello is type, right? Then again count is equals to 0 plus 1. That means equals 1. Then until count, now this condition is satisfied. 1 is less than 4. Yes, correct. So again displaying hello. Still these are not allowed. Okay, hello, and then again display hello. Count equal, another one should be added. That means 2, then hello. Again until count this satisfied 2 less than 4, so again displaying hello. Then again repeating, then count equals 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Then 3 is greater than 3 is less than 4, so again it will repeat and again it display hello. 4 times again. Let's see now the count should be 3 plus 1 equal 4. As this is a pseudocode, what happen, it will again repeats and display as hello. Now let's see, count is now 4 plus 1 equal 5. Until count, now 5 is less than 4. It does not, is it correct? Is 5 is less than 4? No. Therefore, while count is less than 4, display hello. Again a hello is displaying and the count becomes again 4, because 5 minus 1 equal 4, again 4, and it will end the loop. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times the hello will be displayed in this pseudocode.